Hey fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and you have started learning mathematics with full concepts. So today in this video we'll learn how to solve this type of algebraic problem. So the problem here is 8 raised to the power x minus 2 raised to the power x, that is divided by 6 raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x, that is equal to 2. Now we'll have to find the value of x and where the x is an integer. So friend, before we start, please give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe our YouTube channel. So now for solving this type of problems, if you look at, we are having the base 2 here and here it is 8. So 8 we can write 8 is the 2 cube. So we'll write 8 as 2 cube, and in the denominator we are having 6 and 3. So we can write 6 as multiplication of 2 and 3. So now let's start the video. So here it is 8 raised to the power x. So we'll write 8 as 2 powered by 3 means 2 cube. So 2 cube is 8 and its power is x minus 2 raised to the power x as it is, and whole term is divided by 6. We will write 2 multiplication of 3. So it is 2 multiplication of 3 and whole is powered by x minus 3 raised to the power x, that is equal to 2. Now in the next step we will multiply the power because power are in bracket. So here we will write it as 2 raised to the power 3x minus 2 raised to the power x, and that is divided by, now here we'll split the power. So we'll write 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 3 raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x, that is equal to 2. Now from the numerator we can take 2 raised to the power x common. So from numerator we'll take 2 raised to the power x common, and the remaining here will be 2 raised to the power x we have taken common, so remaining is 2 powered by 2x minus here 1 bracket closes, and the denominator we are having, will take 3 raised to the power x common from the denominator. So here it is 3 raised to the power x, so and the remaining here is 2 raised to the power x, so it is 2 raised to the power x minus here 1, and that is equal to 2. Now we'll simplify it. 2 raised to the power x and here 2 raised to the power 2x, it is 2 raised to the power 2x. We can write 2 powered by x, so it is 2 powered by x and whole is powered by 2. So here we'll write 2 powered by 2x as it is in the bracket, so we'll write 2 powered by x and whole is powered by 2. Now in the here we are left with minus 1, so it is divided by the next term. Here it is 3 raised to the power x multiplied by 2 raised to the power x minus 1, that's equal to 2. Now 1 we can write 1 square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, so it is a square minus b square, and we can write it as a plus b multiplied by a minus b, so here it is 2 raised to the power x outside the bracket, and this value will write 2 raised to the power x plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power x minus 1, and that is divided by, here it is 3 raised to the power x. In the bracket we are having 2 raised to the power x minus 1, and the right hand side we are having 2. Now in the next step we will simplify it. So here in the numerator 2 raised to the power x minus 1 and the denominator will be cancelled, so we are left with here in the numerator 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 2 raised to the power x plus 1. In the denominator we are having 3 raised to the power x, that is equal to 2. Now we can write and we'll cross multiply it. So in the numerator we are having 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 2 raised to the power x plus 1, and in the right hand side we'll cross multiply, it will be 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power x. Now we'll take 2 in the left hand side, so we'll divide both sides by 2. Then our equation will be 2 raised to the power x divided by 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power x plus 1, and that's equal to 3 raised to the power x because we have divided by 2. Now this value we can write 2 powered by x minus 1, 2 powered by x minus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power x plus 1, and that is equal to 3 powered by x. So now in the next step we'll calculate the value of this term, odd and even, and we'll put the value of x. So we'll take first the value of x, that is equal to or more than 2. Then the value of this term. First this term value will be 2 powered by anything that is positive will be any even number. So this value will be even number. Now the term value of this term. So the value of 2 raised to the power x will be an even number, and if we'll add one even number, that this time will be odd number. This term will be odd number. So now here multiplication of odd and even and odd will be any even number. Now in the right hand side we are having 3 raised to the power x, so the any power of 3, that is positive value, will be any odd number. So right hand side value will be odd number and left hand even. So the value of x, that is more than or equal to 2, does not satisfy this expression, so we cannot take x as 2 or more than 2. Now this term value, so here we have cancelled this value, that is 2 powered by x minus 1. So the value of this term should not be equal to 0. So the value of 2 raised to the power x should not be equal to, this value will take in the right hand side, this will be 1. Now 1 we can write as in power of 2, means 2 powered by 0. So from here we can calculate x should not be equal to 0. So the value of x should not be equal to 0. So here we have two values, that is x should not be equal to or more than 2, and the value of x should also be not equal to 0. Now we'll put the value of x that is equal to 1 and we'll satisfy this expression. So we'll satisfy this expression in the next page. So here we have copied down the last page informations. So here we'll put the value of x that is equal to 1 and we'll satisfy this. So now if we'll put the value of x as 1, this value will be 2 powered by 1 minus 1 multiplied by 2 powered by 1 plus 1, and in the right hand side we are 3 powered by 1. So the value of 2 powered by 1 minus 1 is 0 multiplied by 2 powered by 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3, that is equal to 3. Now 2 powered by 0 is 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. So the value of left hand side is 3 and right hand side is 3. So here this is satisfying this expression. So we have a solution, that is x is equal to 1. Now in the next step we have taken x is equal to or more than 2, and here 0 does not satisfy, 1 satisfy. Now the negative value, now we'll take the value of x that is equal to negative n, and the value of n will be any number more than or equal to 1. So in place of x we'll replace it by negative n. So we'll write it here. So it is 2 powered by negative n minus 1 multiplied by 2 powered by negative n plus 1, that is equal to 3 powered by negative n. So here we can take negative 1 common from the power. So we'll take negative 1 common. So it is n plus 1, and that is here 2 powered by negative 1, we can write 1 divided by 2 powered by n plus 1. So here it is 3 powered by negative n, we will write 1 over 3 powered by n. So here negative power, so we will write it as 1 divided by 2 powered by n plus 1 multiplied by, from here we will take 2 powered by n LCM, and the remaining here will be 2 powered by n plus 1, and in the right hand side we are having 1 divided by 3 raised to the power n. So now let's write it here. Now this value, in the numerator we are having 2 powered by n plus 1. So in the denominator here it is 2 powered by n, and here it is 2 powered by n. Multiplication of these two value will be 2 powered by 2n plus 1. So it is 2 powered by 2n plus 1, and in the right hand side we are having 1 divided by 3 powered by n. Now here again we'll cross multiply it. So in the left hand side it is 3 powered by n multiplied by 2 powered by n plus 1, and that is equal to here 2 powered by 2n, 2 powered by 2n plus 1. Now here again we'll use the multiplication of odd and even. So power of 3 raised to the power n will be any odd number, and here the value of 2 powered by n will be any even number, and plus 1 will be odd number. So the value of this term will be odd, and multiplication of odd and odd will be any odd number, and here it is power of 2. So the value of power of 2 will be any even number. So in the right hand side we are having even number, in left hand side we are odd number. So now here we are having in the left hand side odd number and right hand side even number. So the odd and even does not satisfy. So the value of x that is equal to negative value, that is negative n, does not satisfy this expression. So here we are having only one solution, that is x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1, that's our answer of this problem. So friend, hope you have enjoyed the video. This ends for today. So friend, please do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel.